Welcome to this CorelDRAW tutorial video, and in this video you are going to learn how to apply this pattern over here, this pattern here, this color pattern that we have here to this cloth. All right, in order to have something like this that we have over here. All right, so we are going to quickly create that right now. So if you are new to my channel, I am Emma Graphics and I do a lot of CorelDRAW tutorial videos and other programs as well. Do well to subscribe by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future uploads. Without any further ado, let's quickly do this. So the next thing you are going to do like this, as soon as you have your cloth here, you are going to quickly right click on this cloth and click on outline trace and then click on line art. So once you see this, all you need to do, you click on reduce bitmap. So once you click on reduce bitmap, you are going to wait while it loads. As soon as it's done loading, you are going to click on OK. Okay, so kindly subscribe to my channel while we wait, guys. Do well to subscribe to my channel, guys. So now it's done loading. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on OK. All right, so now we now have, this is after and this is before. Okay, so either you delete this or you leave it somewhere, because this is the one we need. Okay, once you have this, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to click on this ungroup. So once you click on this ungroup, this your property bar will be active. Then you click on create boundary. Once you click on create boundary, you are going to have an outline on this cloth. Okay, this is what I mean by outline, this black line. Okay, and that's what we need. Okay, once you have that, so we are just going to take the outline out and delete the whole of this. Okay, delete this. Just to delete, just select or right click, you see delete. So you can centralize this, then you now power clip this into the frame. All right, I'm going to power clip this pattern into the frame. All you need to do, right click on it, you see a power clip. So you click on power clip and click the cloth. All right, so now you have something like this. So once you have something like this, guys, you are going to go into the frame and adjust it to your taste. Okay, whichever way you want to adjust it to, whichever way you want, and that's it. Okay, the next thing you are going to do, you click on, while you select the pattern, you click on transparency tools. Once your transparency tool is active, so you come to uniform transparency and click on it. So once you click on uniform transparency, go to normal and change it to logical AND. So once you change it to logical AND, you come to your mesh mode and change it to black. All right, change your mesh mode to black. I think black is better. So once you are done, just click on OK, drop the pick tool and come out of this place. So as soon as you are done, remove the outline. As you can see, we still have the outline. So all you need to do, right click on this X over here, and then the outline is off. So you can do the same thing to this particular one. So this is the one we just created. So I'm going to change this other one as well. So all I need to do, I'm going to power clip this into the frame. All right, so once you power clip this into the frame, we are going to edit it by going into the frame. You can delete the other one that you have in the first pattern, this one. You can right click on it and click on delete, then you centralize this. All right, something like this. You can just adjust it to your taste, then come to transparency, click on this other one, and then change it to logical AND, change the mesh modes to black. Then you are going to have something like this. Okay, click on OK. So this is how we change. So we were able to change from this to this and this. Okay, so that's how you create realistic t-shirt mockup in CorelDRAW. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you.